Hi guys, in this video we will learn how to do calibration the clutch and clutch engagement point. Go to the diagnose, check any related codes to the transmission. If there's none, then go to the calibration. Click on that, and then go down and click on the transmission. And then scroll down to the clutch engagement point. Click on that and then click Start. And then click to continue. This is a description what it will do it. Just read it and then click on Continue. And then wait for it until that all the ticks are green. Also, one is red because my truck is running. Let me turn off the truck. Okay, now let's wait until it's clear, until it's get green. You can even click on the bypass, automatically meet conditions, but you don't need to if it's going to green. It will go green now. Okay, now click Continue. So now the calibration started, and your transmission may make some noises. And there you go, the calibration is done. You can click on Detailed Information. And here you can see clutch engagement point. So this is the small dot, that's your clutch condition right now. You can check it where it's sitting right now. So this is how you check the clutch engagement point, clutch life, and that's how you do the calibration. Now click to continue. Turn off your ignition and then confirm. Wait for 10 seconds. And then confirm, turn on the ignition and then click on confirm. And that's it. Your clutch is calibrated and it's already told you the life and everything. So this is how you use a tech tool to adjust the clutch and to check the clutch life. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.